What are you going to learn in this video might shock you, but it will forever change the way you interact with girls. The moment you finish this video, you will know what really attracts women. And no, it's not what they say it. The problem is many guys have no success with girls, and the reason for this is pretty simple. It is the way they view women. For thousands of years, men have been picking up women, but it hasn't been until recently. But there is more confusion and struggle than ever. And now this is not because in the past you could just throw a woman over your shoulder and take her home. The biggest mistake you see, most guys treat girls according to what girls say. They listen to what she says instead of looking at what she does. This is the biggest mistake a guy could ever make. Most guys lack even the most basic understanding of feminine nature, and this is why they fail. Have you ever wondered why no one calls a woman of her word? There is a reason why no one does this. Why? It's not because all women are liars or can't be trusted. It is because of her feminine nature. Her moves can't always be explained with the rational mind. Women listen to the way something or someone makes them feel. Feminine energy is flowing and dynamic. Feminine and masculine energy are attracted to each other and complement each other beautifully. The most feminine girls are attracted to the most masculine guys. Unfortunately, most guys not only lack this basic understanding of female nature, they also lack the knowledge of their own masculine core. More often do we see guys becoming and acting more feminine. A lot of guys are not truly this feminine by nature, but they have been taught to be this way. The way to expose this fact is very simple. If the guy is acting feminine, yet is attracted to feminine girls, you know this behavior isn't nature, but nurture. Why? If you are attracted to a very feminine girl and you are acting very feminine yourself, you will push her away like a magnet of the same pole. When two magnets are brought together, the opposite poles will attract one another, but the like poles will repel one another. Another huge mistake guys make is putting their woman before anything else. This also is a direct result of lack of masculinity and a lack of purpose in life. Can you imagine a woman alone in bed at night fantasizing? Who is she fantasizing about? A man who is obsessed with her all day long to the point that his mission doesn't even matter? Or is she more turned on by the man who has a powerful mission in life, the achiever? A man living powerfully and on his own terms. A man who is turned on by the woman in question knows that he has a deeper purpose. Later, of course, her priority is the flow of love. Your priority is your mission. Polarity is what causes sexual attraction. Therefore, being overly focused on her is not masculine. Women will never admit it, but they actually want you to put your mission above them. Have you ever wondered why women like bad guys? Because they don't give a shit what people say to them or judge them, and they focus on their own life, their own goals. They are not needy and approval seeking, like the typical nice guy. A trait that's rather cute in a woman as it emphasizes attachment and submission. It's not cute at all in a guy. A lot of people make videos and teach you quick tricks to attract and manipulate women, but none of those work as good as truly understanding what female nature is. By the way, if you want to level up in your life, then don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Till that, keep learning, keep improving, and be the best version of yourself.